This conference will now be recorded.
Today we are going to discuss a new topic that is nothing but a record types. Okay, record types. Okay, record types. Okay, coming into general topic. Okay, coming into general topic. Assume that I am going to start three types of business. Okay, assume that I am going to start three types of business. Okay, three types of business. One is real estate business. Okay, real estate business. Okay, real estate business. And the next one is okay, car selling business. Car selling business. Okay, and the next one is laptop selling business. Laptop selling business. Okay, laptop selling business. Okay, today our topic is record types. Today our topic is record types. Okay, now coming into general topics, we are going to start three types of business. Okay, we are going to start three types of business. Actually, any number of business, it doesn't matter. Any number of business, it doesn't matter. Here, based on my requirement, we are going to start three types of business. One business is real estate business, and another business is car selling business, and another business is laptop selling business. Okay, generally real estate business means what type of terminologies we will use. What type of terminologies? Type of house, right? What type of house? What type of house? And the cost of house, and area. These type of terminologies we will use, right? These type of terminologies. Okay, now coming into car business. Type of a car, type of car, cost of car, right? Cost of car, and some other fields. If you want, you will just go and add any number of fields, it doesn't matter. Okay, now coming into here, laptop business. Type of laptop. Okay, type of laptop, and the next one is cost of laptop, right? Cost of laptop. Okay, cost of laptop. I'm just taking only some fields. If you want, you will just go and add n number of fields, it doesn't matter. And n number of business, it doesn't matter. N number of business, it doesn't matter. Now what I will do is in this, I will log in into my Salesforce, and I will create one custom object. I will create one custom object. How to log in into the Salesforce? Into trailer version, login.salesforce.com. Okay, into login.salesforce.com, and you have to enter your username and password. Okay, to enter your username and password. Okay, so how we are going to implement this thing in the Salesforce is, first I will just go and create one custom object. First we will just go and create one custom object. Go to object manager, go to object manager, and in the go to create, click on the custom object, click on the custom object. My custom object name is anything, it doesn't matter. Here I'm just adding my custom object name as a business info. My custom object name as a business info. Okay, business infos. And here the field name is nothing but business name. Okay, business name. And the next one is I'm just making this object as a tab. Okay, finally try to save this one. Finally try to save this one. Okay, and choose the tab style. Okay, and click on next, and click on next, and finally try to save this one. Finally try to save this one. So we created one custom object. My custom object name is nothing but business info, and the tab name is nothing but business infos, and API name is nothing but business info underscore underscore C. Okay, so now go to fields and relationship sections. Okay, here you have to observe some fields by default Salesforce system provided. These fields are called standard fields. These fields are called standard fields. Now coming into page layout, we will just observe here. Coming into page layout, see, page layout name is nothing but object name plus layout, right? By default Salesforce system provides one page layout, right? That page layout name is nothing but object name plus layout, right? Suppose we want to perform changes, then click on this one. Click on this page layout. Go to this page layout. Now see here. See, if you want, you will just go and add it. If you want, you will just go and remove this one. Okay. Now coming into here, record pages. Just how we will observe. Coming into record pages, click on the lightning record page. See, there is no record pages. If you want, you will just go and create your own record page. If you want, you will just go and create your own record page or flexi page. We will also call it as a flexi page. Okay. Now coming into your compact layouts. See, by default, Salesforce system provide one compact layout. In this compact layout, what are the fields are there? See here, there are nothing. No fields are there. No fields are there. Okay. Now coming into our concept. Okay. So here we are going to start three types of business, right? Real estate business, car selling business, laptop selling business, right? Real estate fields are type of house, cost of house, area, right? Now what I will do is I will go to this custom object and I will create fields. Click on this new button, and while creating a field, for time being I will select all the fields data type as a text. Okay. Click on next, and my field name is nothing but type of house. Okay. Type of house. Okay. And the next one is 25. Click on next and click on next. Save and new, and I will just go and create one more field that is nothing but cost of house. Cost of house data type is anything, it doesn't matter. If you want, you will actually select if you want, you will select actual data type. Cost of house is nothing but currency rate. You will just go and select currency data type, it doesn't matter. Okay. And click on next. Save and new, I'm just clicking on the save and new, means it will automatically redirect to the data type. Okay. So now I will just go and create one more field that is nothing but area. Click on next. Area. Okay. Area, and 25. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Save and new. Now what I will do, I will just go and create the fields which are related to car selling business. Okay. We are trying to creating the fields. Now go to here, text, click on next, click on next, and see here, type of car, 25. Click on next and click on next. Save and new, and the next one is cost of car. Cost of car, you will just go and create all the fields. Okay. Data type should be anything, it doesn't matter. Here for time being we are taking as a text data type. Okay. Then click on next, click on next, save and new, and now I am trying to creating the fields which are related to laptop. Type of laptop, go to here, text, click on next, type of laptop, 25. Click on next, and see here, click on next, save and new, and the next one is cost of laptop. Cost of laptop, see, go to here, text, click on next, click on next, cost of laptop, 25. Click on next, click on next, finally try to save this one. So see how many fields we created in same object. We created all the fields which are related to different types of business. Okay. Different types of business. Up to now there is no new concept. There is no new concept. We created one custom object, and that in that custom object we created multiple fields. Multiple fields we created. Now I want to create a record. How to create a record? Go to the tab. Where is the tab? Go to app launcher. Go to app launcher here. See here, business, business infos. Click on the business infos. Okay. Click on the business info. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. Click on this new button. Click on this new button. See, I am trying to creating one new record. I am trying to creating one new record. Okay. So here this is a business name, right? This is a business name. Instead of business name, what I will do is I will just go and update to customer name. Okay. Customer name. I am trying to updating one standard field, that standard field name from business name to customer name. Okay. Now I am on this space. How to update that particular field? How to update? Go to here, edit object. Go to edit object, Go to details here, go to details, click on this edit button. Click on this edit button. We are trying to updating a field. See, instead of business, I'm just putting like a customer name. I'm just adding it as a customer name. Okay. Finally, try to save this one. Finally, try to save this one. Okay. Now coming into here, I'm trying to creating one new record. I'm trying to creating one new record. Go to here, click on this new button. Then it will redirecting into this particular screen. Refresh this one. Refresh this one. 1 second. Click on this new button. Click on this new button. Still not it, because here it is coming as a customer name, but here it is showing as a business name. 1 second. Click on it, new. Assume that it will show as a 1 second. Refresh this one. We just rename from business to customer. We just rename from business to customer. Here also, this is also new. This is not a new concept. Okay, this is not a new concept. Assume that. Okay, here this is a customer name. This is a customer name. Now my requirement is James is one customer. Okay, James is customer, is making an inquiry about the real estate. Okay, he will call my company. He will call my company, and I am the sales representative. Ramesh, I need some information about the real estate. I want to buy one house in Hyderabad, so I need some information. What type of house? Okay, I need some information. He will just make an inquiry. He will just make an inquiry. Then what I will do? I will just go and create a record. I will just go and create a record. So James is one customer here. Okay, James is one customer, and he just make an inquiry about the real estate. So he make an inquiry about 3 BHK, and the cost of house is nothing but, okay, 50 lakh, and area is nothing but Hyderabad. Okay, area is nothing but Hyderabad. So I'm the sales representative. I am trying to creating one record for my future reference. For my future reference, James called us and he just make an inquiry about the real estate business. So what I am doing, I am trying to creating one record. While creating a record, here you have to observe type of car fields are there. Okay, type of laptop fields are also there, means these fields are not required, right? These fields are not required because of James is one customer. He called me and he make an inquiry about the real estate business. Now Ramesh is a sales representative. Ramesh, what he is doing is trying to creating a record. Yes, James is one customer. He called me and he make an inquiry about the real estate business. So I will create a record for my future reference. So while creating a record in the layout, I'm also see the fields which are not related to the real estate business. So I will ask the administrator, boss, some customer called me. He's a real estate customer. I'm trying to storing the information. While storing the information in the layout, in the UI, some fields are there, but those fields are not required for me. Those fields are different types of business. Those fields are not required to me. Okay, just observe this one. Just remember this one. Try to save this one. Okay. Now one more customer call. One more customer call. That customer is nothing but Peter. That customer is nothing but Peters. Peters called sales representative. Here sales representative is Ramesh. Okay, and he just make an inquiry about cars. Okay, what type of cars are there? What is the cost of the car? Now again, what I will do, what I have to do, I want to store the information in my business info object. Okay, what I will do, go to here, click on this new button, click on this new button, and here the customer name is nothing but Peters, right? What type of business he is related to? Which business? Car business, right? Type of car, BMW, and the cost of car is nothing but some amount, and click on the save button. While creating a record here, again some issue. What is the issue? I'm the sales representative. I will ask the administrator, boss, again one more customer call me. Okay, is related to car business. I am trying to creating one car record. While creating a car record, I have unnecessary fields in my layout. So what is the purpose of here? Type of house, cost of house, area is related to car business. So I want car business fields only. Okay. So just remember this one also. Try to save this one. So now one more customer call, that is nothing but Thomas. That is nothing but Thomas. Thomas is related to laptop business. So again, sales representative, what he will do? He will go to the business info and click on this new button. Click on this new button and here you will just go and create Thomas. Okay, Thomas, and this time type of laptop is nothing but Dell. Cost of laptop is some amount. Okay, some amount. So this time again he will raise a request. He will check with the administrator, but this time also unnecessary fields are there in the layout. So unnecessary fields are there in the layout. Here the concept is based on the business. Okay, based on the business, we want to show the fields. That is the concept, right? So here the issue is whenever I am trying to creating a new record, all the fields are available. All the fields are available in the UI. All the fields are available in the layout. But my issue is, suppose any customer called, based on the customer business, based on the customer business, I want to show the page layout. I want to show the page layout. Suppose real estate customer called, in my page layout, only the fields which are related to real information only available. That is my requirement. So suppose laptop customer call. So whenever I am trying to creating a record, I want the fields which are related to the laptop only. So whenever car customer called, I am trying to creating a record. While creating a record, the car customer fields, I mean the car business fields only should available in the UI. That is my requirement. That is my requirement. So for this requirement, how we are going to achieve is nothing but step one is I will just go and create page layout. Okay, create page layout, page layouts for each and every business, for every business, create a separate page layout. Okay, create separate page layouts for each and every business. Okay, for each business, you will just go and create a separate page layout. How many business are there? Real estate business is there, right? What I will do, I will just go and create one real estate page layout. In that page layout, what I will do, I will add only real estate fields. Okay, and the next one is I will just go and create one more page layout. My page layout name is nothing but car page layout. Okay, in that page layout I will add the fields which are related to car business, and I will just go and create one more page layout. That page layout is nothing but laptop layout. In that layout I will all the fields which are related to the laptop only. So step one is create a separate page layout for each business. So I'm trying to creating real estate layout. Okay, real estate page layout. And the next one is I will just go and create car layout. And I will just go and create laptop layout. Laptop layout. Three business, right? That's why we are trying to creating three page layouts. Three page layout. Now I am on this page. I want to create page layout. Where we will create the page layout? Go to the setup only. Go to setup, or directly you have to go to object level. Okay, whenever you will go to the setup means it will go to the object manager. From the object manager again you have to go to the business info object only. Instead of that, you will directly select edit object. It will redirect into the object. Okay, now go to the page layouts. Go to the page layouts, click on the page layout. It will redirecting into this particular screen. Already one page layout is there, right? In addition to that, we will just go and create our own page layout. Click on this new button. Two buttons are there, right? New button is there, page layout assignment is there. Click on this new button. Click on this new button. So what is my page layout name? What is my page layout name? My page layout name is nothing but real estate layout. So while creating a page layout, you have to make a duplicate of this existing page layout. Means suppose I will select a business info layout, in the sense means my new page layout is also, it is exact to duplicate copy of that one. Suppose you will not select anything, then it will create a blank one. Here first we will select a business info layout. What I'm trying to say is we are trying to creating a new page layout. While creating a new page layout, we are providing the name. Then the next step is existing page layout. What is your existing page layout? Business info layout, right? Based on this one, you are trying to creating a new page layout. So I'm trying to selecting existing page layout as a business info layout. Click on the save button. Click on the save button. Click on the save button. See here you have to observe what is my page layout name. real estate info layout, right? Real estate info layout, right? Then the next one is here, you have to observe. So all the fields are available, right? How all the fields are automatically available? Because of while creating a new page layout, we selected existing page layout as a business info layout. So the system, it will create a duplicate copy of that one and rename it as a real estate info layout. Real estate layout. So now what I will do? I will just go and remove the fields which are not required for this business. Type of car remove, cost of car remove, type of laptop remove, cost of laptop remove, and one more thing, I will just go and add section here. So go to here, drag and drop. My section name is nothing but real estate, real estate, real estate info. Try to save, click on this OK button. The customer name, type of house, cost of house, and the next one is area. Now what I will do, I will just drag and drop. I will create one more section, that is nothing but other information. Other information. In other information, I will just go and add it owner and currency. And finally, try to save this one. So we created one new page layout. My page layout name is nothing but real estate layout. While creating a page layout, we are making a duplicate copy of this one. So the system automatically create exactly the business info layout like that only. Then we will remove whatever the fields we don't want on this page layout. Now I will just go and create one more page layout. My page layout name is nothing but car layout. Click on this new button. Click on this new button. Now this time existing page layout, I will not select anything. I will not select anything. I will just make it as a blank. And here my page layout name is nothing but car layout name. See here, previously we selected business info layout. This time I am not selecting anything. Just observe what is the difference. Click on the save button. Click on the save button. Then here, what is the difference? What is the difference here? See, my page layout is coming as a blank, right? Only customer name is there, right? Only customer name. Remaining fields, if you want, you will just go and add it from here. Previously we selected the existing page layout as a business info, so then the system automatically create the layout exactly same. Okay, and but name is different. So in that page layout, what we did, we removed unnecessary field. Now here we are trying to creating one more page layout. While creating a new page layout, the existing page layout we selected as a blank. The existing page layout we selected as a blank. Okay, so then what, how the system it is creating? See here, it is not adding any fields, right? If you want, you will just go and add it here. Now section here, just drag and drop, and this is a information car information, then customer name, here type of car, cost of car, cost of car. Try to save this one. So we created one more page layout. Now what is our next page layout? Laptop layout, right? Click on this new button. Click on this new button. So my page layout name is nothing but laptop layout. While creating a page layout, we have to select existing page layout or blank. That is as our wish. Suppose you will not select existing page layout, then it will create a new page layout. That page layout name is a laptop layout, and in that layout only one field is there, that is the first field. Remaining fields you have to drag and drop. Suppose you are selecting based on existing page layout, means it will create a duplicate of that. Okay, duplicate of that same page layout, but name is laptop layout. And in this layout, which field you want, you can just add it, and which fields you don't want, you can just remove this one. Now I'm just making it as a duplicate one, sorry, blank one. Click on the save button. Okay, as our wish. For this type of page layout, we have to select existing one as a blank. For existing one, this one, it is not like that. As our comfort, as our comfort. See here, we created this is a laptop layout, right? In this laptop layout, existing page layout is nothing, right? It is a blank, right? Then the system automatically showing it's a only one field, that is nothing but customer name. So remaining field, what we have to do, just drag and drop. I'm trying to creating one section. My section name is nothing but laptop information, laptop info. Here I'm trying to creating, I'm adding the fields, customer name, type of laptop, cost of laptop. Okay, type of laptop, cost of laptop. Finally try to save this one. Finally, try to save this one. So we created 3 page layouts based on my requirement. Based on our requirement, we created 3 page layouts. Any questions up to now? Any questions? Okay. Now coming into your step 2. Now coming into your step 2. We will just go and create a record type for each and every business. Create record type record type for every business. Okay, for every business, create a record type. So a real estate business is there, right? I will just go and create real estate record type. Record type name should be anything, it doesn't matter. Record type name should be anything, it doesn't matter. But here I am just giving real estate record type. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, I will just go and create record type. My record type name is nothing but real estate. Okay, so now I am on this space. Where is my record types? Where is my record types? So here you have to observe page layouts, lighting, record pages, buttons, links and actions, compact scroll down here. Record types are there, right? Click on the record types. See, there are no default record types. There are no default record types we have to create. So default record types in the sense means fields and relationship sections. Coming into fields and relationship, by default Salesforce is provide some fields, right? So but record types Salesforce it doesn't provide. Salesforce doesn't provide any record types by default. We have to create. So there is two options are there. New is there, page layout assignment is there. Click on this new button. Click on this new button. Okay, see, existing record type you will just go and select as a master. What is your record type name? My record type name is nothing but real estate. See here, and the description, if you want you will just go and provide some description, and this is for real estate information, like that based on our requirement you will just go and provide, but it is not mandatory. So here active, check this particular checkbox, and here you have to observe profile name is there, right? In the next session we will discuss about the profiles and the users. Okay, and this record type I am just making available for all profiles. All profiles, what is the profile that we'll discuss once again. Go to the record types, go to the click on the record types, click on this new button, click on this new button. We are trying to creating a new record type. Then what is your record type name? Is nothing but real estate. Real estate, and description as our wish, it is not mandatory. While creating a record type we have to select the existing record type as a master. Now come down, go to here. This record type should be available for all profiles. What is this profile? It's related to the security, we'll discuss. Then click on the next button. So here in this screen what we did, we are trying to creating a record type. My record type name is nothing but real estate, and I'm just making this one is active, and this record type is available for all profiles. Okay, then coming into here, click on the next button. Click on the next button. See, the next one is assign a page layout. See here, step 2 is assign page layout. You are trying to creating one record type. You are trying to creating one record type. For this record type you should assign one page layout. You should assign one page layout. See, go to here, apply one layout to all profiles. Go to here, how many page layouts are there? Business info layout is there, car layout is there, laptop layout is there, real estate layout is there. Go and assign real estate layout. Go and assign real estate layout. So I am trying to creating a record type. In the first screen we provided what is record type name, and we are just making that one as a active, and we are providing permission to all profiles. In the second screen, this record type, which page layout it will access, that page layout here we will select. For real estate record type we will assign real estate layout. Then click on the save button. Click on the save button. So now see, I will just go and create one more record types. One more record type. See, what is our target? 3 business, right? That's why I'm trying to creating 3 record types. Now go to here, click on this new button. Click on this new button. See here, what is my next business? Next business is car. So I'm just making it as a record type name as a car. Just make this one as active. Make this one as active. Description, it is not mandatory. And this record type should make available for all. for all profiles. Profile is a separate concept we will discuss. So in the first screen, we are providing record type name and we are just making this active. And the next one is we are making this record type available for all profiles. Then click on the next button. Click on the next button. Okay. Then this car layout is this car for this car record type. Now go to here. Which page layout we have to assign? Car layout. Car layout. Okay, car layout we are trying to assigning. Finally try to save this one. So two record types we created. Two record types we created. Click on the record types. Here you have to observe we created car record type, we created real estate record type, we created. Now go to here, click on this new button. Click on this new button. I will just go and create one more record type. What is my record type name? Laptop. And active this one and make available this one. And the next one is while creating a record type we should assign the page layout. It is mandatory. It is mandatory. Then for laptop business you will just go and assign laptop layout. And finally try to save this one. Finally try to save this one. So we created three record types here you have to observe three record types. While creating a record type we should assign a page layout. We should assign a page layout. Okay. Now the next point is you have to observe, you have to remember this one. It is mandatory, we should remember. Go to fields and relationships. Go to fields and relationships. Scroll down here. Scroll down. Okay, here you have to observe one field is system automatically providing. That is nothing but record type field is automatically providing. So this record type field is automatically enabled by the system when at least one record type is there. In the Salesforce, in the object, at least one record type is there. Then the system automatically provide one standard field. That field name is nothing but record type. Record type API name is nothing but record type ID. Remember this one. This is mandatory. Whenever we are writing a programming, that time my requirement is for real estate record type. I want to perform this logic. For laptop record type, I want to perform this logic. For some other record type I want to perform this logic. Then where we will get record type is nothing but by using this particular field. So finally when we create at least one record type, Salesforce system by defaults provide one standard field that is nothing but record type, and the data API name is nothing but record type ID. Okay. Now coming into the front end. Front end is nothing but a tab only, right? Go to the tabs. Business infos tab. Go to here. Business infos tab. Business info tab. Now I'm the sales representative. I'm one sales representative. Assume that one more customer called. That customer is real estate customer. That customer is real estate customer. Click on this new button. Click on this new button. Now here you have to observe three record types came, right? Three record types came. Assume that one customer called me. That customer name is Akira. Okay. That customer is related to real estate. So now I want to store that customer information. What I will do? I will go to business info, click on this new button. When click on the new button, automatically the system it will show all the active record types. All these three record types are active, right? So now the customer called. That customer is related to which business? Real estate business. So I will just go and select real estate record type. Click on the next button. When click on the next button here, which screen it is available? Which page layout it is available? Real estate page layout only available here. Real estate page layout is available. Akira and some other details you have to provide and click on the save button. Okay, click on the save button. Then it will redirecting into the record page. It will redirecting into record page. Now one more customer call. That customer name is Mohit and that customer is related to laptop. So what I will do, I'm the sales representative. I want to store Mohit information. Click on the new button. So when click on the new button, three types of business came into picture. So that customer is related to which business? Mohit is related to which business? Laptop business. I will just go and select a laptop here. Click on the next button. When click on the next button, the UI is available. UI is nothing but page layout. In that page layout, only the fields which are related to laptop business only available. I will just go and provide all the details and click on the save button. So then it will automatically redirecting into this record page. If you want, you will just go and change the record page format also, like detail, related, or some other tabs. You will just go and add it. Now again coming into here, some other customer came. That customer name is nothing but Sri. This customer is related to car business. Then what I will do? While creating a record itself, I will just go and select the business, car business. Click on the next button. So car layout, it will come into picture, right? Car layout, it will come into picture. Click on the save button. So this is the record. This is the record. So we created one record. Just one more information. This is the record. Once, go to here, click on this new button, select any record type. This is a record type. Just remember the terminologies. Record type. This is a record type. Once selected the record type, provide all the mandatory details and click on the save button. Then this is nothing but a record. See here, every record has a 15 to 18 digit ID. Record type, record. Record is common thing, not only in this object, every object. Once we provided all the details and click on the save button, the Salesforce system automatically create a record. That record ID is unique. This record ID is unique. So this is record type. This is record type. Okay, the terminology, just remember. This is record type, real estate record type, car record type. This is laptop record type. This is record ID. Suppose we will just open any existing record. This is record ID, that is record type, and this is record ID. So finally in the suppose we want to implement record types. Suppose we want to implement record types. So what we have to do? The first step is we have to create a page layout. The second step is we have to create a record type. While create a record type, we have to assign the page layout which we created in the previous steps. So which we created in the previous step. So like that we will just go and create a record types. Like that we will just go and create record types here. Any questions on this one? This concept not yet completed. Before that, you have any questions? Any questions? Where we will use, how we will use in the real time, I will show. Okay, I will show. Okay, and now coming into here. Okay, now coming into here. Okay, so, and one more observation here. Suppose you will create one record type only. Suppose you create one record type, then the system, it will not show one record type is there, but it will automatically redirecting into that particular page layout only. What I am trying to say is, here we created three record types, right? Here we created three record types. That's why the system, it is showing three record types. Minimum two record types suppose we created, then only the system, it will ask us this option. You have to select to go and select any record type. Go and select any record type. Suppose you create only one record type. Suppose you create only one record type, then the system, it will not ask us any option, because of only one record type is there, right? That is a default one, and it will automatically redirecting into this particular screen. Whenever you will click on this new button and in your object you have only one record type, then the system, it will not ask any option. Automatically it will redirecting into the page layout. That you have to remember. That you have to remember. Now coming into here, one more thing. I am trying to creating one pick list field. I am trying to creating one pick list field. My pick list field name is nothing but country. My pick list field name is nothing but country. And here the pick list values are USA, India, Singapore, Australia. Okay, Australia. So how to create a pick list field? Go to here. I am on this space. Go to here. Edit object. Edit object. See, go to here. Edit object, and go to fields and relationship sections, and click on this new button. Click on this new button. I am trying to creating one pick list field. See here, pick list. Pick list. Click on the next button. And what is my pick list field? Country. While creating a pick list field, we discuss, right? Shall we go with the use global pick list value set, or we have to go with the second radio button? In this case, I will go with the second radio button. Why I will go with the second radio button? These pick list values are away, should be, it should be only for this particular field. Only for this particular field. Okay, that's why I'm going with the second radio button. Second radio button. When we will go with the first radio button, these picklist values are common more than one picklist field, then we have to go with the first radio button. Then we will go with the global value set. I'm trying to creating a picklist field, no one will guide us. You have to go and select the first radio button, you have to go and select the second radio button. We have to assume and we have to select. Here in this case I am trying to selecting the second radio button. Why? Because of these picklist values are available only this field. Then click on the next button. Click on next. Click on next. See, I'm trying to creating a field, right? My field is nothing but country field. This field shall we add to all page layouts? Suppose I will remove this one. This field we are not adding to any page layout. Suppose if you want to add this field for car layout, laptop layout, or real estate layout, yes, you will just go and select that one. Suppose if you want to add for all page layout, yes, you will just go and add to all page layouts, to all page layout. Finally, try to save this one. We are trying to creating one field. The data type is nothing but pick list. We are adding this field to all page layouts. Click on the save button. Click on the save button. So now go to here. Go to front end. Front end is nothing but tab only. Click on this new button. We selected real estate, record business. We will call it as a business or record type. Click on the next button. Not yet refresh. Refresh. We have to refresh. Click on this new button. Select real estate. See, countries came right. Country pick list came right. Here you have to observe USA, India, Singapore, Australia is there, right? So this is for real estate. Now go to here, click on this new button. I will select some other record type car. Click on the next button. See here, countries there, right? USA, India, Singapore, Australia. I will just go and select some other record. Laptop. Click on next. Country, USA, India, Singapore, Australia, right? So here my requirement is suppose user he will select the real estate type, the record type as a real estate, then country should be India, USA only. Suppose user trying sales representative trying to creating a record. While creating a record, suppose he will select the record type as a real estate. Then my next step is what? Under country field, we have to show only India, USA. Suppose user he will select car business. Then my requirement is Singapore, Australia, India. Singapore, Australia, India. Suppose user he will select the laptop record type. Then my business is Singapore, Singapore, USA. USA. This is my requirement. This is my requirement. So this is a pick list field. While creating a pick list field, we added all the pick list values. But for this business I want only this pick list values. This business I want this pick list values. This business I want only this pick list values. Means for this record type this pick list values, for this record type this pick list values, for this record type this pick list values. That is my target. So then what we have to do is, this is very important, regularly we will use this concept real estate, record type concept regularly we will use. And here the concept is pick list values, right? These pick list values we are controlling by using record types. Okay, by using record type regularly we will use. Now what I will do is I will go to the record types. Now I am on this page. I want to navigate to the record types. Record type is nothing but metadata, right? Go to here, edit object. Go to here, edit object. Now go to record types. Go to record types. So for real estate business, for country pick list, which values we want? India, USA, right? India, USA, right? Go to real estate. Click on the real estate record type. When you will click on the real estate record type, here you have to observe pick list available for editing. Automatically the system it will add all the pick list fields which are related to in this object. Okay, what I am trying to say is whenever you will click any record type, not only real estate record type, for example click on the car record type, the system automatically show how many pick list fields are there in this object here. So here we have only one pick list field, right? That's why automatically country here it is showing. Automatically the system it will show. Now coming into a real estate record type. Go to real estate record type. What is our pick list? Country, right? Click on this country. Click on this edit link. Click on this edit link. It will redirecting into this particular screen. See here. It will redirecting into this particular screen. But which values we want? I want India, USA, right? India, USA. So what I will do, I will just go and remove this one. I will just go and remove this one. Order also, I will just go and change it. Order also, I will just go and change it here. 1 second. India, USA. So go to the record type. Go to the record type. So which record type you want? Go to that particular record type. The system automatically display your pick list field. Click on the edit button. Then you have to customize here. However you want, you will just go and change it. Click on the save button. Click on the save button. Now what is the next record type? Car record type, right? Car record type. Go to car record type. Click on the record types. This is car record type, right? Click on the car record type. Then the system automatically show all the pick list fields which are related to this object. Yes, only one pick list field, right? Country is there, right? Click on this edit button. Click on this edit button. For this one, car business, which pick list values we want? Singapore, Australia, India, right? So go and move whatever you want. You will just order also everything. We will change it. The first one is Singapore, right? Singapore. The next one is USA, right? USA. Then the next one is India, right? India. Suppose you want to make any default one, yes, you will just go and default it. Finally, try to save this one. Finally, try to save this one. Now again, go to record types. Which record type? Laptop record type. For laptop record type for country field, which values we want? We want Singapore and USA. See, laptop, right? Click on the laptop and click on this edit. Click on this edit. Now go to Singapore, Australia, right? Singapore, Australia. So now I will just go and remove this one. Singapore, Australia. If you want, you will just go and make it as a default one. Finally, try to save this one. So here you have to observe, while creating a pick list field, we created all the pick list values. All pick list values we created. But for this record type, I want only this pick list values. For this record type, I want only this pick list values. For this record type, we want only this pick list values. Where we are controlling? We are going to that particular record type and we are controlling here. We are going to that particular record type and we are controlling here. Now go to the front end. Front end is nothing but a tab, right? Go to here, business, business infos, business infos, and
Rameshwar,
click on, yes,
can you go to this record type?
yeah, 1 second. Go
What is
to
this default?
setup, edit object, go to record types, yeah, click on real estate. I'm going to the real estate record
Edit,
type. Yes,
edit, edit.
yeah, yes.
And what is this default tab you have? Like, what is the functionality of that?
Default, suppose I will make it as a USA, in the sense means, suppose you will go to here, click on this new button, select real estate, click on the next button, right? Here country is there, right? For country now presently USA, India, right? Suppose you will make it as a default, means for all record default it will show as a USA only.
No, but in the drop down list, it is showing USA and India again.
Yes, again it will show.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Then what is
In
the
the
purpose?
yes, Siva, please.
Because there you are making it as a default, but still in the drop down list, it is showing USA and India.
Yes, so that is one limitation. Your question is, by default it is showing as a USA. Then
Yeah,
again, what is the purpose of showing here as a USA pick list value, right? It
USA.
should,
Why it is showing India? Yeah, why it is showing India? I'm asking.
no, default value in the sense means, so here you have to observe here. So how many pick list values are there? USA, India,
Two.
right?
Yeah.
I want default value. Default value means while creating a record, I will show default one as a USA. If you want, you will just go and change it.
Okay. Got it.
Okay. Okay. By
Got it.
default, I'm giving some value. If you want, you will just go and change it. Okay. Okay. Got it, Shiva.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on next. Here you have to observe, I'm selected record type as a country, real estate rate. For country USA India, here it is showing rate. USA India, here it is showing rate. For example, go to here. I'm trying to selecting some other record type, right? Car record type. Click on the next button. See here, country is there, right? India, Singapore, Australia, right? But at the country pick list field level, we have all the countries. Now go to here, click on this new button. Laptop is there, right? Click on the next button. Click on the next. See here, Singapore, Australia is showing, right? Only these pick list values are it is showing, right? Now what I will just go to this particular object. Go to this particular object. Go to edit object. Go to edit object. See here, and go to record, not record types, go to fields and relationship sections, go to country, click on the country. I'm trying to adding one more pick list values. Go to here, click on this new one, click on this new one. I'm trying to adding like ABC. While adding the pick list value, here you have to observe, shall we add this pick list values to all record types? It is asking. Yes. Suppose we will select means yes, it will automatically add to all record types. To all record types, it will automatically add. Okay. So here, first of all, the definition of the record type is to separate the business. Okay. Suppose anyone will ask, what is a record type? We have to say, to separate the business. To separate each business, we are going to implement record types. How to implement the record type is, first we have to create a page layout. Then we have to create a record type. While creating a record type, we have to assign that particular page layout. That is the second one. The third one is, we have to observe, coming into fields and relationship sections, you have to observe, by default Salesforce system is provided one field. That field is nothing but record type. API name is nothing but record type ID. API name is nothing but record type ID. Okay, by default it will provide. Then the third one is, pick list values we will control based on the record types. Pick list values. For this record type, I want only this pick list values. For this record type, I want only this pick list values. Those pick list values we will control by using record types. So, and one more last point. Go to page layouts. Go to page layout. Car layout is there, right? Click on the car layout. Click on the car layout. So the system automatically provided one field, right? What is that field? Record type, right? Just drag and drop. Just drag and drop. Finally, try to save this one. Now go to another page layout, laptop layout. Select, click on the laptop layout. Now here also the system automatically provided one field, right? That is nothing but record type. Try to save this one. Now go to here, real estate. Click on this layout. And the next one is, you will just go drag and drop your record type here, record type. Finally, try to save this one. So we added one page layout, that is record type page. We added one field to the layout. That field is nothing but record type field. That is a standard field that is available. Only one record types are enabled in the object. Now go to front end. Okay. Go to front end. Click on this new button. Real estate, right? Click on the next button. We have to refresh, I think. Okay. Refresh. Click on this new button. Select, otherwise take any existing record. Here you have to observe, I'm just taking an existing record. It is available in the new record also, but it is taking sometimes. Here, record type, it is showing, right, real estate. Just by looking into this one, you will identify, right, yes, this is a real estate record type. This is a standard field. For example, go to here, this one, this is which record type? Car record type, right? For example, go to here, Mohit, this is which record type? Laptop record type, right? So we added this field to all page layouts. Okay, all page layout. And coming into the real time, where we will use this record types. Okay, where we will use this record types. Before going into where we will use this record types, as a technical person, what we have to remember is record type definition. Record type is nothing but to separate a business. To separate each business, we will just go and implement record types. That is the definition. How to implement record type means, first we have to create a page layout. Then we have to create a record type. While creating a record type, we have to assign this record type to that particular page layout. That is the second one. Then the third point is, whenever we create a record type, by default the record type field is available. Okay. Then the fourth point is, picklist values are controlled by using record types, so then where we will use this record types in the real time is, I will give one scenario. My business, I'm working in one project. My business is selling the products to the customers. Products are nothing but, assume that A, B, C, D, all these are the products. Okay, we are selling these products to the customer. Now I want to deliver, the customer buy the products from us. Okay, the customer buy the products from us. Okay, so now I want to deliver these products to the customer. So my head office is in US. Okay, and suppose I want to deliver the products to other country, we have to charge them more. Okay, we have to charge them more. So what we will do is, whenever we are trying to collecting the addresses, that time address is a custom object. Address is a custom object. In address, whenever we are trying to collecting the addresses from the customer, that time we are going to differentiate, this address is US address, this address is other than the US address. So in address is one custom object. In address custom object, we created two record types. One is US record type and another one is international record type. Another one is international record type we created. So here my business is, we are selling the products to the customer. The customer buys some products. Now we want to deliver the products to the customer, right? To deliver the products to the customer, we will collect the addresses from them. So while collecting the addresses, we have to differentiate whether he is a US customer or other than US customer. How we are going to differentiate? So we are going to create record types. In address is one custom object. In address custom object, we created record types. One is US record type and another one is an international record type. So, and another cases, we are selling the products. Some are the maintenance products, some are the hardware products, some are not hardware products. So in that case also, we will just go and create record types. Hardware record type, not I mean maintenance record type, service record type. So in that case also, we will just go and create record types. I will show in my application.